Can an LLC loan money to an individual? Yes, an LLC can loan money to an individual, but it must be structured carefully to avoid tax and legal problems. The loan should be formalized with a written agreement that outlines the repayment terms, interest rate, and schedule. Treating it like a real loan is important. If it looks more like a gift or distribution, the IRS could reclassify it and trigger unexpected taxes. The person receiving the loan, whether an owner or someone outside the company, is legally required to repay it under the agreed terms. If the loan is to an LLC member, it must be documented properly in the company's records, so it doesn't look like income or profit distribution. Charging a reasonable interest rate also shows the transaction is legitimate and protects the LLC if the loan is ever reviewed. The short answer is this: yes, an LLC can loan money to an individual, but you need a clear contract and proper records, so it stands as a legitimate business transaction. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you on compliance so transactions like loans are handled correctly. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.